Uy, tara na. Push up na guys. So, wato na itong 100 push up. Karoon na adlaw. So, atong plano kay 5 sets. So, 20 reps per set. Let's go.
10 deep, lose 4 deep. On the cross, paid it all, he don't owe me none. There he go. For the sport, really putting up free throws. In middle school, said I look like zero. But I'm feeling like the one like Neo. Whoa, calm down that ego. Still hit my knees like Tebow. I'm just giving my praises and making the fragrance like I don't need Dio. 15-hour flight, still made it to church on time. What's your excuse? That don't sound right. Never mind me, dog, do what you do. Hey, we hecka free, Matthew 18.
So, manata sa tuwang day 1, 100 push-up challenge. The next day, kaya mag-reset ta. Next day, day 2 na po nga 100 push-up challenge. Kaya dili daw advisable everyday na 100 push-up. Kaya ma-injured ang wrist. Bye for now.